In the realm of STEM education, the abundance of information can be overwhelming, making it challenging to know where to look for your specific needs and support. Here at the GBSIoT, we are your trusted partner to guide you through this intricate landscape, providing bespoke solutions to fuel your STEM strategy. Here we can craft a roadmap to success, which might involve forging impactful partnerships with our 7 prestigious educational institutions, each brimming with STEM resources and expertise. We connect schools with relevant organizations and resources to enrich your STEM programs. Not only do we have world-class connections, the GBSIoT grants you an exclusive pass to the cutting edge of Industry 4.0 through our very own cyber rig. Here you can not only learn about automation and robotics, but experience them firsthand. You can access and rent STEM equipment from our hub, free of charge, igniting inspiration in your classroom. Having the right tools is just the beginning. Therefore, we offer comprehensive training for you and your staff. This ensures you're fully equipped to harness the potential of our STEM kit and resources. We've created an immersive VR platform that takes you on a captivating journey through technology, education, and career prospects. Here, students discover their passions, plot their course, and craft a bright future for themselves in STEM. At GBSIoT, we empower you to navigate the complex STEM landscape with confidence. Together, let's unlock the limitless possibilities that STEM education offers.